Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So, in our last video, let's start the session. In our last video, we have seen service item. What is the use of service item? How to create service item? So, in today's video, we are going to talk about matrix item. So, let's start. So, what is the matrix item? How we are going to create a matrix item, what is the use. So matrix item allows businesses to create multiple item variation like size, color, style from a single parent item. This is useful for business selling apparel, footwear, and electronic gadgets with different configuration. For example, parent item like t-shirt, child item can be like color format or size. What are the key features of matrix item? Saves time by creating a multiple variation at once. Each variation has its own SKU, like price and stock level. Easier reporting and inventory management. The steps to create matrix item. Navigate. Go to list accounting items. New matrix item. Create a parent item. Enter the name. For example, T-shirt. Select the matrix type, size and color. Define attribute small, medium, large. First, we need to enable the feature like setup company, enable feature. Let's move to the inventory item, inventory types. So here is the checkbox. We can enable this checkbox, then we'll get access to create that matrix item. Check this checkbox to use matrix items. An item matrix allows you to track your item by certain options such as size, color. With an item matrix, each combination is tracked separately. So just save it once you enable this checkbox. So we can create a matrix item in NetSuite and we can use that matrix item. Just click on save. Now we are ready to create a matrix item. Let's go to accounting, item, new. So here we can find matrix item, create matrix item. This is the this is the matrix type of item. Here we can give the item name, number, display name, code. Here we can give the subsidiary, assign children. Here we can define the code. We can differentiate the category like department, location, class. Here you can select the unit type, each or a box. Like suppose we have t-shirt, then we will definitely will share that we'll select the chat checkbox like each for the t-shirt. And here we can define that description, rate, and here we can define the account, asset creation, asset accounts, all the accounts. Anyway, we have created. So let's review this. This is that matrix item we have created here. So we have provided display code T40. Just for example, we have given the T-shirt each. Here we given the code to identify sales description, quality T-shirt, where we have given that best price for Indian subsidiary. So here we are given that uh, that's it. So these are the subsidiary. So here we can give the define the combination like for the component in the matrix item subtype. So here you can give in that attribute. So what will be the name template name? For example, we have given that size and color combination with the template. So here we can select the department if you want. Here you can select the color and size. Then here we have selected the color. If you want to add your own custom color, you just click on that plus icon. Then it will appear here. So here you can select the size. If you have your custom size, just click on new, or else you can click on plus icon and you can add your own custom size. Here give the name, abbreviation, then it will be adding your in your size chart. So like that we have selected and it will appear here name or number MB display in website, we can say so like that. So this is the way we have created that, just click on the action to create, just we are updating. Now we have created that service, sorry, matrix item. So this is the way how we can create the matrix item. This is the matrix item. If you have image, then also you can upload your item image. This is the way how we can create a matrix item in NetSuite and we can use. So I think we have covered this matrix item. So for today, that's it. In our next video, we'll go for assembly item or BOM items like bill of materials item and kit package item. Then we'll move to the pricing schedule, pricing, let's do pricing. So for that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and your comment and hit that bell icon button and subscribe for next tips and tutorials. Stay active for our next chapter. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care everyone.